Flicker decrease is a feature that's designed to synchronize the shutter of the camera with the potential flicker of lights. Like if you're in a gymnasium and you want to make sure that the exposures match every burst that you take and have them all be the same brightness. Let me show you what can happen in a gymnasium lighting situation. We're using a light that's very similar to some gym lights, and as we burst our photo of Dawn, when we play them back, each one has a different brightness and intensity, because sometimes the light is at full intensity and other times the light is a little darker. Flicker decrease is located in the Photo tab, the bottom page called Others Photo 2. When we turn flicker decrease on, you'll notice a little symbol that says flicker. When the flicker turns yellow, that lets you know that the camera knows there's some sort of a flickering light source, and it's going to synchronize its burst with that light. So now as I burst those photos and I play them back, each photo is the exact same intensity. And that's flicker decrease on the S series of cameras.